Anyway, good morning and welcome to Kimmy's Real Adventures and stuff. Like I started to say in the last video, but I ended up deleting it. I'm gonna start a new playlist called MTA Metro Stations, and they have a new throne here at Hollywood and Vine, and I wanted to start doing some short videos of every MTA station eventually. There's so many of them. And then, like my other video, we got the new one that went to Wilshire, Fairfax, and Wilshire, La Brea, and Wilshire, La Cienega. I'm going to cover all them stations as well. But we got, like I said, they each got their own theme, depending on where they are. Like the Hollywood Vine station, Hollywood themed, just like the Hollywood Trader Joe's on Vine. Hopefully this won't go over 3 minutes. But I thought this would be something that interests people on our fantabulous transportation system. So, like, subscribe, share, and associate. Drop a comment. If you come to LA, know that we have a good transportation system. Oh, I thought I was down to we get palm trees. Did I do this station before? And I think I missed a train. I hear it. Did I cover this train station before? Oh, well, we got 6 minutes. So we got time. But this one has palm trees, a lot of air. And once you cross the thing here, you got old filming cameras. So hit transfer. You got an old filming camera, palm trees, and then you got old film reels on the roof, on the ceiling. How cool is that? Ones that they've used for the movies. All right. Okay, and we got pictures here too. So, like, subscribe, share on the social. See ya. Oh, look at that. The Cowardly Lion from The Wizard of Oz.